Hello everyone, hi loves, how are you all? This video is for Scorpio for 2021. As I told you, I'm making the yearly predictions for every zodiac sign, and I think I have uploaded till now, I guess till Libra. So now is the turn for Scorpio for 2021. Most awaited readings I know. How are you all? I've been enjoying uploading readings and getting comments, and people are liking my videos. Thank you so much for all the ones who are watching them as my loyal subscribers, and thank you so much for joining in all the new watchers. So this video is going to give you insight for all the challenges coming in 2021. Everywhere you're going to feel a shift of energy. I will be actually guiding you through divine messages, and their absolute vibrational energies for you, so that you can take use of that very much. And definitely you can ask for personal readings from me, and my details are in description box. And yes, 2021 is so much awaited. So let's go and get on to your reading, Scorpio. So divine, guide me for all the channel messages, all the messages you want for my Scorpions. Some of you have to calm down, you have to soothe your energies, you have to literally calm your energies. So maybe something has gone wrong in the past and you are a little upset about it. I feel that you should now calm down to that, or maybe peace is required. You are looking for peace inside, that is internal peace, and you should work towards the internal peace, because I feel a lot of turmoil, a lot of problems already in the past I can see have happened with you. Your path is describing you now, Scorpio. So whatever you're going to do is what you are. So most of you, I think, are going through some transformation, some sort of liberation from some magnetic pull you had towards someone. So I feel this is more towards relationship. You had a magnetic pull for someone, and somehow you are not, your magnetic pull is now not working, or maybe you are somehow free from that pull. It is for very few, I feel. It is towards spiritual connections or spiritual ties, bonds. It could be for some soulmates as well, that you're not feeling that connected with that person. You used to feel that connection before. Your giveaway is important. So I feel some of you're supposed to give away something to get something. So I feel that some sort of exchange is required, and it could also be a normal exchange of energy which is required. With you to get something, you have to give away something. Also, I think hopes are on the verge. So I mean, whatever you were hoping for to happen in the nearby future for you is going to happen. Some good news or some sort of opportunities on the way. Your dreams are going to come true. That's such a great message for, I think, most of you. Whatever you're dreaming for from a very long time, Scorpio, is going to come true. You just have to work hard, and you have to show your potential to the world. So maybe you were lacking in showing your potential, your fire energy, and now you're showing it. And I would recommend that people who are still waiting should go ahead and show your highest potential to the world, so that you get what you want. You are directly in line with universal beings. So I feel whatever you are wishing for is going to come true, because you are getting in your power, Scorpio, which is so beautiful. You are already a powerful sign, and now you are more towards your power. So I feel that everything you need is coming to you in terms of spirituality, in terms of high power, in terms of manifestation. So which is so beautiful. Also, I feel for some of you there is a shift. Maybe you're planning to shift in other city or other home. I feel you are actually moving. You're shifting, you're moving, your energies are moving. So maybe some of you would want to leave your current house or accommodation, move to another condo or apartment, and you may be liking that switch or change, because you also feel that you need that shift of energy. Maybe in that house something happened which is not something great, and you want to just get rid of that memory and you want to move away from that. I feel that whatever new place you're going to switch to is going to be very light in energy, and you can build that energy whatever you want to build in. Some of you have gone through some sort of cheating, and now that cheating is revealed. So the truth is revealed that you were cheated by your partner, and maybe your partner is still cheating you. That revelation has come through. it's showing me the power of Three of Swords. So I feel that there is a little bit of heartbreak, but somehow I also feel that you were speculating it, you knew it somehow, that things are not that great between you and your partner. So I feel that your energies have shifted. And yes, I have got one card which is just like a divine message in between my channeled messages, that is Judgment. So I feel that your entire uh, connect with this person has completely came, like it's on stop. Maybe you're not talking, you people are not in contact, you just don't want to go there because you are intuitive sign, so you somehow know that there is some problem going on, there is something going on there which you don't want to move towards. There is a dead end, maybe from your side it's gone, from your side it's just not there. Also for some of you, I feel that your abilities to dance towards music and towards the lighter side of life is increasing. So maybe painting or some sort of creative endeavor is starting. So I think adventure is also on the card. Some of you are planning adventurous trips, and you are looking forward to forget the past. I think you're finding ways to forget the past, Scorpio, which is a very prominent thing in your or some of the signs reading, because the past is still haunting them, still with them, attached with them. So I feel that you're finding ways to get rid of past. In nights, you are thinking a lot about. In the daytime, you are very much busy with everything you want to move forward with, but in night, in quiet time, you are introspecting, you are thinking about the past, you are thinking about whatever is happening. Is it happening with me? Is it something I need to even think about more? How to get rid of that thought, of that situation in your life. Some of you are stuck with a partner who is not serving you purpose, who's not making you financially stable. Some of you are not even allowing that person to go away. So I feel you need to detach yourself with that person. Maybe that is a haunting energy for you, because you want to get rid of all the hurdles. Basically, you want to get rid of every drama happening in the house, in the family, in the environment, in overall situation, because you're done with drama. You want peace, you want some new energy. Basically, you are shifting, so you are feeling that new energy, which is drama-less, which is just something passionate, which is just something focused, I feel. Okay, let's get on to your reading with tarot cards. Let's see what's coming up for you. So I'm going to keep this card over here, and let's see. So I'm going to pull out first the 3 challenges cards. What exact challenges you will be facing in 2021, so that I can give you the guidance on that. Then I think it's towards the past only. The challenge which I feel without opening cards is the past, because I'm getting that energy very intuitively. Also, some of you are stuck with money. Maybe finance could be a problem for some of you. Otherwise, you are on the verge of manifesting a great money, are really planning that the kind of money you want to make is not there. So you are planning how you get that money out, how to manifest that kind of money. And most of you is towards the past. We will see the cards later. Now the second thing I want to pull out is the positive side of 2021, the luck supporting sector, which is supporting you in 2021, which is very important to know, I feel. Then I want to know the major event in 2021. What is the major event happening in 2021? Okay, the cards are really tricky right now. They're not ready to come out. And this last one is the divine messages for Scorpio for 2021. I feel the divine guided messages are very clear to me right now, that just move on that path and also have great confidence in you. There are 4 cards I've got out. All right, so let's start with your challenges, so that we know what is going to give you some sort of problem, some sort of issue, some sort of introspection maybe afterwards, but we need to know. Okay, it's just 5 of Swords and 2 of Pentacles and 4 of Swords. So the thing I told you, that you're thinking in nights about someone, about some situation in your life, which is just not, you cannot digest, or maybe you're still like, you feel cheated. You can't just digest that cheating thing. That person cheated you. Finally you got to know about it. Finally you know what has happened with you, and you're not happy about that. You are, of course, nobody is happy about that, of course, but that thing is not leaving you in night. And I feel that some of you feel that that person made fun of you, fun of your life, fun of your contribution in that relationship, because I feel that it's really tough for you to let go of it. Also, the challenge is between two people, or maybe two sort of work you're doing. For most of you, I'm feeling it is getting engaged in two different works, and you are trying to balance your life with two different professions or careers. But also, I feel you're very well invested in your work, whatever you're doing, because you're trying to manage time, you're trying to manage everything. You want to do everything, but that is good that you're able to. But it's just that it needs more of your time, more of your contribution in your work. With Four of Swords, I feel that you are feeling let down with something and you are just letting go meditation, you're doing something like that, you're doing and you're just resting, you are just digesting the facts, the things which which are happening with you, which have happened with you in the past, and now you are just digesting them. But with Four of Swords and Five of Swords also, I feel that there is some sort of deception going on. You know, you are still maybe in, you're an intuitive sign, you get those intuitions, Scorpio. So I feel that you can smell that kind of bitching, or that kind of backstabbing. Basically, you can feel that this person is actually doing something behind your back. This person is actually hiding things from you. You know it, I'm talking about. So most of you will actually know right now, will get the faces of people in front of you when we are into this reading, when you're listening this reading. So because Five of Swords is clear that people are trying to put you down. Some of you are definitely jealous of your new work. So even if they're jealous, I suggest you that please go on with your work. Don't even think about whatever is happening and why people are reacting like this. They are jealous, they can't digest your success. As simple as that. And also, you're feeling defensive. So you are ready for a fight if at all it has to happen. Some of you. Also, some of you are in fight, already in the fight. So this is the challenge, ongoing challenge, and it is going to go on in 2021, because swords tell me that you are actually having a tough time dealing with some people who are just behind you for nothing. I think they are just not letting you be what you are. So if it is happening with you, you are having sleepless nights, you are thinking about it. Maybe you join some course to get rid of the past, to get rid of negativity, negative energy. I'm feeling that people are just trying to put that negativity, that heavy energy on you. But the blessing also in this challenge is the work you have got. You've got something new to be busy, to work continuously on, so you can actually detach yourself from that particular past, particular, backstabbing. And also, we have got the card of karma, that is judgment. So I feel that whatever is happening with you, whatever whosoever is doing, is their karma, and they are going to get that back through the divine forces. You don't need to even concentrate on it. What I feel with this card is, you need to concentrate on your wishes, you need to concentrate on your path. Right now is a time for you. Don't waste it thinking about somebody who's trying to stop you. You're indirectly giving them too much of importance. So that is the struggle for 2021, because I think this year is going to bring you a lot of work, a lot of happiness. Some of them are definitely getting great partners ahead. Then why is to waste time on people who have just not understood you? Now I would like to tell you about the luck, about the luck sector. And very positive thing is that you are actually, what I've told you in the past, you're doing it in 2021. So maybe 2020 you took time, you were you were just going on with that energy, and now you've understood that this is something which is going to go on for a while, because there are very less people who can understand you. There are very less situations where you will be not misunderstood. You will always be misunderstood, right? So it's better, it's Three of Wands which you have come out with as your luck also, that you are actually keeping everybody behind you. Every situation, every bothering thing, every worried situation, whatever you were thinking in nights, after a while you're going to put that behind, because you're done. You don't feel like even thinking, giving efforts to this, and you're thinking and moving in different direction. You can see some of you are moving overseas, some of you are thinking about shifting abroad, out of your country, or some of you are just having a new, altogether a new life, altogether a new way out, and you are enjoying that phase. Why? Because I've got Four of Wands, so you're enjoying your talents also. So maybe these people who were in your life were not allowing you to cherish this talent, cherish this balanced talent. So now you are getting the fruits of whatever you put efforts in the recent past, and still universe is telling you to put efforts on your talent. Also, for some of you, I feel it is regarding partnership. Though I feel for Scorpio, I'm not getting too much vibe of partnership that you're putting efforts. I think you're going to get it just like that, because your magnetic pull is so high right now that people will be pulled towards you without any efforts. What is the effort is to just do this in your life. That is decorate your life, decorate your just spread your wings. What I'm getting is just be happy, eat good, feel good, and go out, party, enjoy. And just music again, I'm getting this feeling of music, dance, and participating in all social media things, and maybe just doing live concerts. Or maybe in your country, in our country, is not still happening, but you're doing something on social media. So you are just happy thing towards you. You are looking at you, thinking that how beautiful you are, how talented you are. You're valuing yourself. Somehow your self-worth is back to you. I'm feeling that people are supporting you, environment is supporting you, the house you have shifted, the new house is supporting you. So some of you have really moved away from the old patterns, old houses, old cycles. And also I feel that there is some celebration going on in your life, or maybe the life has become a celebration after a while for you, that every day you are enjoying it. You are happy with your environment, which is so beautiful. And the positivity is through divine. That divine is supporting you to do all of it, because it doesn't want you to get stuck with the negative side. Then we have temperance. So all the three cards tell me one very, very good thing, that you are getting balanced. And in temperance, there is a way, a new way opening. In our language, we say that the new road is opening. So this road is well deserved and well manifested by you. You were thinking subconsciously to have this road open, but the efforts were less because you were engaged with these kind of situations in your life. Now you're free. Now divine is telling you, invest your time in this situation, this new path which is opening. For some of you, I think you're getting married, and this new path is regarding this new relationship, this marriage. So maybe you actually left someone to get married to this new person, and this is going to be a fruitful marriage. This is going to be a wish fulfillment for you to get that kind of partner in your life. So I feel very, very if you see the challenge, and if you see the good luck supporting you, it's very, very clear that the challenge is only till the time you are stuck thinking about them, those situations, those negative sides. So the challenge is only to cut that negative side from your end. And yes, definitely stop entertaining people. You know that they are jealous of you, because they're trying to backstab you. They will try to do something back and forth so that you feel hurt, you feel let down, because you are moving ahead too fast, and people cannot understand what magnetic pull you have, that every time you are number one. I'm getting it very strongly. So, Five of Swords tell me that all the nearby ones, all your friends and everybody, colleagues, and alliance, everybody you are with, just beware. Do not discuss too much with them, because people are not that happy with your progress. And the divine is telling you, just do your work. It's just like divine opposing those people and you standing in mid. Divine is telling you, just feel free and do your work. Just ignore them. Don't entertain them too much, because you're too busy making your coins and investing your entire time in making those coins, which is so beautiful. Also, in the major event, okay, that's very interesting. In the major event, I see that something is going to move in different direction. As in, there was a waiting zone for most of you for a very long time to have a clear cut communication with someone. And also, I feel that your throat chakra from a very long time was not working as it should. Maybe it was not cleansed, or maybe you were suppressing your expressions. And now that is going to open, because Wheel of Fortune, Page of Wands, and the Emperor card is definitely showing me that you are cherishing your childhood talent. Your memories are back as your present. I hope you're understanding what I'm trying to say, is that you are basically understanding that you were supposed to do something which was from your childhood, or from a very young age you wanted to do something. And that Emperor card is telling me now you are in power. The major event in 2021 is that the wheel is turning. The wheel of fortune is telling me that the time is changing. Now you're becoming that young energy again. That maybe it's somebody is watching who's 22. So maybe at 6 or 7 what you wanted to do is coming back to you, because subconsciously you have planted seeds for it long back. But now is the time to take action, because the emperor is in the power to take that action and cherish that old habit or old talent to come out, and let everybody see this. So talent is coming too much, your concentration on career is coming too much, Scorpio. So maybe you are just not in a mood to have any relationship as such, because I don't see any too much of love cards here. It's more about your talent, your personality, your points, your manifestation, your wishes. So maybe students who are looking forward to go abroad, out of country, are going to get it. So it's kind of a big manifestation in career you have. Then people who are looking forward to marry, for some of you it's going to be a fantastic marriage. That is also something you were manifesting from a very long time. Most of you, it's towards your past memories, past of you are thinking how I used to be, and now suddenly you have that energy shift that you're able to do the same things back now in life. Also with page of wands, I feel that the communication you were waiting for with this person, with this person who is very charming, who's very attractive, is going to open up now. So maybe your waiting zone on this also is over, and it could be possible that this person gives you past memories. Maybe you were childhood friends, maybe you were dating in your young age with this person, and now suddenly there will be a shift and there will be like a hi, how are you, that kind of a message coming to you suddenly, and that is the major event it is coming. So maybe the waiting zone, also wheel of fortune. So I think it was a very long time, maybe you wanted to reconnect with this person, or maybe this person wanted to reconnect with you. Also I feel, you know why they are coming back. I'm getting that answer also, because with the course of time you missed that attraction, you missed that magnetic pull in you which could pull anyone. Now you're back in that power. Now divine is also helping you to be in your power, and so this person is again back connected to you, because that power could connect this person to you. So it is very clear message for some of you who are waiting for that message. Why this person is coming should also be a question after a long time in your mind, which I'm getting. So the answer is that this person used to miss you. This person always remembered you is one side, but the kind of pull you had when this person was in your life, you missed on it for a very long time. So this person couldn't come back to you. The magnetic pull is back now, because it's page of wands. They're feeling attracted towards you, they're feeling just wanting to talk, to listen to your voice, to basically meet you, to know you again, because they're feeling the same energy coming to you, coming to them from you. It could be a past life connect also. It could be also a divine timing. For some of you it's the time for you to meet this person. Yeah, sorry about that, there was somebody on the door. uh Yeah, so this connect is going to happen because they're feeling that attraction in you. So I think if you want to reconnect with someone, keep that attraction up, go on your path. Maybe you were giving too much of attention to them, which was not your past energy. Maybe you used to take them very normally. Now, suddenly, because you lost that energy, they lost that connect. But now you're back in your form. Just do whatever you're doing. This person is feeling attracted to you. They are checking you on social media, they are stalking you. Definitely. And I feel it's a fire sign, and it could be Aries, Leo, Sagi, and they are actually checking your profiles out, or maybe whatever you're doing on your day-to-day basis. They are stalking you. Yeah, Aries, I feel very strongly because there's Emperor also. So this kind of thing, the major event in 2021 is going to be connect with this person, connecting back to your old side, that side which was attractive, that side which used to have a magnetic pull towards everyone, and that's the wheel is. turning around. Now it's your time. Divine is continuously guiding you to move on the path. You are on the right track. Just take steps, move forward. Don't think about the past. Don't even put efforts to do anything in the past, or to kind of revisit the past. Don't do that. I hope you're getting what I'm trying to say. So I feel this is the major event. These events can take place in your life. And the divine message for you is that this sort of communication, which is going to happen with this person, is going to bring you your soulmate back. So this reading tells me about two important things happening in your life. That Scorpio, you missed your charm. You missed your charm, you missed your magnetic pull because of certain events, or maybe because you lost yourself somewhere because of your energies, or something happened in the past, or maybe what I see as a challenge, somebody, some group of people, some sort of backfiring is happening now to them, which was happening to you before. Because now the swords have almost ended, it was only in the challenge part. So I feel that maybe whatever this person I'm getting, for some of you, listen, I'm getting that you were, this person was told bad things about you, something which this person could not digest, some rumors, some negative information, some sort of planning was there. And that is the reason this group of people wanted you to split with this person. This person lost that interest because maybe they were hurt or something happened to them. Now suddenly everything is changing. You are back in your form, they are back in their form. They used to miss you is there, definitely there, but now that attraction, that magnetic pull is back, and now that connect is back also. That is definitely back. And with Page of Cups, it's going to be a proposal, it's going to be a more than hello hi relationship. You are going to feel like your wishes come true, because we have got Nine of Cups. Your wish to communicate was to this person, with this person, was very high, very big, very, very important. And maybe nights you think about that communication, even after moving ahead, even after doing everything in the daytime, in nighttime you think about this person. And this person is your soulmate. So could be a big karmic connect with this person. You're going to reconnect, you're going to reconcile. At least you people are going to talk about your past memories, how we used to be, and you will be like, I have always missed you, and you have always missed me. I also know that. So entire reading tells me 2021 Scorpio is going to be a turning point of your life, where you're going to get everything of your past back: your charisma, your magnetic pull, your talents, you, yourself. You missed yourself, I feel. And for some of you, it's going to be a great soulmate connect as well. And that soulmate, if for whichever section it is resonating, you're going to go ahead and marry this person. You're going to settle out with this person, because you know it's from heart. You know that even after a long time, if they are coming, you know it is worth it. And these swords, so the challenge, you have to literally let go of all those friends, all those members, all those people you know that they kind of don't want you to be happy. You have to literally push them away from your life. Yeah. Again, I'm coming back to the major card. It's karma. Whatsoever has happened with you, whosoever has done that with you, it could be that now they are facing their karma. And you will see that. You will see that karma return. It's a beautiful reading. I feel that's why I felt it's Three of Wands, that you are just done thinking about that person, thinking about this past. You're done. You just don't want to think about anything. You invested, well invested in yourself. And when you get invested in yourself, the things turn around. Maybe that was a lesson, that don't live for others, live for yourself, and everything comes on track. So I hope you like my reading, Scorpio. Any personal consultation, you can always message me. You can DM me. And yes, you can follow me on Instagram with the same name, Ethel Sonia. We are coming up with some cool stuff, one or two cards reading, and some sort of medical. Yeah, I would like to tell you that I'm coming up with some particular videos for our health problems. You can always mention in the comment if you're going through some health problem and you want some solution for it, which I'm going to tell you the spiritual solution. I would never recommend you to stop your medication, your scientific solutions, but definitely the spiritual solutions work hand in hand, and the healing happens through divine, which is very fast. So please, I would like to tell you, I would like to request you, if you want to share your medical issue or your friend's medical issue, your family member's medical issue which you are not able to heal, I will be happy to help you. We are just trying to create a community to help each other. So with that note, I'll sign off and I'll come back with you for the next reading. Thank you.